to the passing of Sri La Ganesan, a former member of this House, on the 15th of August 2025 at the age of 80. He served as a member of this House, representing the state of Madhya Pradesh from October 2016 to April 2018. Born on, please keep silence, please. He served as the editor of, born on 16th February 1945 in Tanjore, Tamil Nadu, Sri La Ganesan was a multifaceted personality, a dedicated public servant, author, editor, lyricist, and a staunch cultural nationalist. He served as the editor of Tamil magazine Ore Nadu, contributed extensively to mainstream publications, and was the founder president of Put Ram Rai, a non-political literary organization committed to promoting cultural discourse. A committed social and political worker, Sri Ganesan actively worked to restore communal harmony in Tamil Nadu during times of social unrest. Sri La Ganesan served as the governor of Manipur from August 2021 till February 2023. During this time, he held the additional charge as the governor of West Bengal briefly from July to November 2022. From 20th February 2023 until his sad demise, he served with distinction and dignity as the 16th governor of Nagaland, upholding the values of public service and unity. A patriot to the core, Sri Ganesan's life was wholly devoted to nation building, cultural preservation, and selfless public service. In the passing away of Sri La Ganesan, the country has lost a principled leader, a devoted nationalist, and a tireless champion of cultural and social harmony. We deeply mourn the passing of Sri La Ganesan. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. The Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved families our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table. Susri Shobha Karan Laje.
Manya Upasabhapati ji, I rise to lay the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1A in today's list of business.
Dr. L. Murugan.
Respected Deputy Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1 Class B in today's list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Parliament Affairs.
Sri Murlidhar Mohol. Sri Murlidhar Mohol.
Honorable Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay the papers on the table of the House as mentioned against my name at serial number 1C in the list of business for today.
Laying of CAG reports, Dr. L. Murugan.
Respected Deputy Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Pankaj Chaudhary, I rise to lay on the table of the House the reports mentioned at serial number 1 Class 2 of today's list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Finance.
Thank you.
2 of today's list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Finance.
Thank you. Honorable members, 19 notices have been received today on 4 different subjects under Rule 267. Of these, 11 notices do not contain a motion drawn in proper terms as per the requirement of Rule 267 to obtain a decision of the House. Further, 10 notices do not mention the date on which their notices under Rule 267 are to be invoked. 11 of these notices do not contain rules which the members seek to suspend. In addition, 13 of these notices demand discussion on a matter which is sub judice. Since none of these notices received today are in adherence to the requirement of the rules, I am not admitting any of the notices. Matters Pledge 0 hour. Need to rename roads named after historical invaders. Dr. Dinesh Sharma. Pledge 0 hour.
धन्यवाद माननीय
0 hour चलने के मेंबर्स आवर है. इशूज
आपने मुझे आक्रांताओं के नाम पर
0 hour
नाम
और
बदलने
क्वेश्चन
की
आवर बहुत
आवश्यकता
महत्वपूर्ण है.
बोलने का
प्लीज आप अपनी सीट पर जाइए.
आपका आभार।
सदन को चलने दीजिए.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं इस सदन का ध्यान एक अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण
सीट पर जाए और सदन को चलने
और
दे.
सांस्कृतिक विषय की ओर आकर्षित करना चाहता हूँ।
ये 0 hour का वक्त है.
हमारे
0 hour चलने
देश
दे
में
प्लीज.
आज भी कई सड़कें
आप 0 hour नहीं चलने देना चाहते.
ऐसे विदेशी
2 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित किया जाता है.
अधिकारियों के नाम पर है।
Has allotted time for government legislative business as follows. 1. Consideration and passing of the Mines and Minerals Development Regulation Amendment Bill 2025 as passed by Lok Sabha 3 hours. Consideration and passing of the Indian Institutes of Management Amendment Bill 2025 after it is introduced, considered and passed by Lok Sabha 1 hour. Now for the listed business, Shri Sarbanand Sonowal to move a motion for consideration of the Indian Ports Bill 2025 and also speak briefly on it if it is so desired.
Sure. I rise to move that the Indian Port Bill 2025 to consolidate the law relating to ports and promote integrated port development, facilitate ease of doing business and ensure the optimum utilization of India's coastline, establish and empower state maritime boards for effective management of port other than major ports, establish the Maritime State Development Council for fostering structured growth and development of the port sector, provide for the management of pollution, disaster, emergency, security, safety, navigation and data at ports, ensure compliance with India's obligation under international instrument to which it is a party, take measures for conservation of ports and provide for adjudicatory mechanism for the redressal of port-related dispute and address matter connected therewith or incidental thereto as passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration.
Motion moved. There is motion moved. There is one amendment by Dr. V. Sivadasan for reference of Indian Ports Bill 2025 to a select committee of the Rajya Sabha. Honorable members, sub-rule 2 of Rule 72 of the Rules and Procedure and Conduct of Business, the Council of States Rajya Sabha stipulates that no member shall be appointed to a select committee if he is not willing to serve on the committee, and that the mover of the motion that the bill is referred to a select committee shall ascertain whether a member proposed to be named by him is willing to serve on the committee. I presume that the honourable member has, while submitting his notice of motion for referring the bill to the select committee, complied with the requirements of Rule 72(2). Member may move the amendment at this stage without any speech. Dr. V. Sivadasan, are you moving your amendment? Dr. V. Sivadasan, are you moving your amendment?
Sir, here only I am. Yes, sir.
Is the amendment moved or not?
Sir, only this SIR
No,
is the
this is
issue.
not
So
going
I
on
like
record.
to say-
Amendment is moved or not? Are you moving amendment? Are you moving amendment? Are you moving amendment?
Sir,
Are you moving amendment, honourable
Sir,
member?
sir,
I will come.
sir,
I will come, honourable
sir,
member.
SIR is
No,
the
you're not
only
moving, not
word
moving, not
from
move,
my
not move.
side, sir.
Honorable LOP, I am going to, please, everyone go to your places. Honorable LOP, before I give you the floor, any matter, as you are aware, which is under the rules of this House, any matter which is sub judice or is part of the judicial process right now cannot be taken on record. And second, anything, and just 1 minute, and anything that is not part of the listed business will not go on record. Just giving that clarity. Honorable LOP, the floor is yours.
You are a supreme authority.
Honorable LOP.
You are our
Honorable LOP.
guardian. सर, मतदान का हक हमको संविधान ने दिया है, उसको छीन लेने का किसी का अधिकार नहीं है। और इलेक्शन कमीशन हमको धमका रही है और डरा रही है और ये कह रही है एफिडेविट दो, हमने एफिडेविट दिया है।
This is not going on record. I'm sorry, this is not going on record. Please, microphone,
Please.
microphone,
प्लीज
microphone. Yeah,
एक
it's on.
मिनट। हाँ सर, हमको अगर इलेक्शन कमीशन धमकाती है, डराती है,
You see, this is not going on record. No, this is not part of the bill. This is not part of the bill. This is not part of the bill. It will not go on record. This is not go on record. This is not part of the bill. This is not going to go on record. This is not part of the bill. Honorable LOP, you're aware of it. It's not going on record. Honorable LOH. Honorable LOH. Honorable LOH. Honorable LOH. Please, everyone, in your seats, in your seats. Honorable LOH, only this going on record. No one else is going on record. Silence in the house, please. Please, silence in the house. Honorable LOH is on his legs. Honorable LOH is on his legs.
Sir,
Honorable LOH will only go on record.
मैं फिर से
Let us have silence in the house, please. Honorable
मैं
LOH.
अपनी बात रिपीट करता हूं। 21 जुलाई को जब सत्र शुरू हुआ था, तब मैंने बड़े स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहा था कि यह सरकार
Please, please.
नियम संगत whatever is permitted in the rules, this government under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi
Please, please.
is ready to
Order in the
have
house.
discussion
Order in the
on any
house.
subject which can be taken.
If you have to leave, please leave silently. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Honorable LOH.
Time and again, the chair has given the ruling that the issue which they wanted to raise cannot be raised according to the rules of business as set by, and it has been expressed by you and by the chair many times. They have got no interest in discussion, and I would like to bring on
Please, let's
record
have order in the house.
that they have
Please, let's have
wasted
order in the house.
69 hours, 1 minute
Please.
of this house. 69 hours have been wasted because of the way they have been behaving. This irresponsible behavior of the opposition, the country is seeing, देश देख रहा है, और हम ये बताना चाहते हैं कि इनको कोई भी चर्चा में रुचि नहीं है। ये सिर्फ, मैंने पहले भी कहा, एनार्किज्म में, ऑब्स्ट्रक्शनिज्म में इनका विश्वास है। जितनी भी इनकी भर्त्सना की जाए वो कम है। मैं यहां फिर से हाउस के माध्यम से देश को बताना चाहता हूं कि हम सभी मुद्दों पर चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार हैं। जो इस नियमावली और नियमों के तहत आता है उस पर चर्चा होगी। हमने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की बात कही थी, हमने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर चर्चा की और वो सारी बारीकियों पर चर्चा की और इनको मुंह की खानी पड़ी, इनके समझ में आया। और ये किस तरीके से पार्टी का विरोध करते करते देश का विरोध करने लगे हैं। यहां आज आपने उनको परमिशन दी, लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन, कहते हैं कि लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन को बोलने नहीं दिया था। आपने बोलने के पहले बताया कि आप अगर सब्जेक्ट पर बोलेंगे जिसके लिए परमिशन दी गई है आपको परमिशन मिलेगी। आपने कहा कि कोई भी उससे बाहर की बात होगी तो वो ऑन रिकॉर्ड नहीं जाएगी। मैं चाहूंगा कि जो इन्होंने बातचीत की वह विषय से जुड़ी हुई नहीं थी जिस पर चर्चा चल रही थी, और इन्होंने गलत तरीके से मौके का फायदा उठाया। वो एक्सपंज भी होना चाहिए, रिकॉर्ड से बाहर भी होना चाहिए। इस बात को हमको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए।
As I had already ruled before Honorable LOP's